Look at that. Look at the chocolate chip. Hello, my healthy people. Welcome back to Maxine's Corner. In today's video, we are making some delicious gluten-free chocolate chip cookies. I have 1 cup of almond flour, 1/2 cup of arrowroot powder, starch, whatever you want to call it. Guys, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. It is absolutely free. And also, don't forget to hit the bell so you can get your notifications. To that, I'm adding 1/4 cups of coconut sugar, 1 tablespoon of baking powder, 1/2 teaspoon of baking soda, 1/8 teaspoons of salt. And you're just going to mix everything together just to make sure everything is well combined. I'm adding 2 tablespoons of chia seeds, and these chia seeds are grounded. It's best if you ground them, and that's going to help to mold everything together. So we're just going to make my usual mold in the middle. I'm going to add 1/4 cups of coconut oil, teaspoon of vanilla. This is my vegan buttermilk. It's almond milk, unsweetened almond milk, mixed with, what do you think? Apple cider vinegar, okay? And I am just gonna mix this together now. Okay, my healthy people, so after you add your milk, you're gonna go ahead and add your chocolate chips. And I have 1/2 cups. And then you're just gonna fold that in. Just like that. Once you fold in your chocolate chips, we're just gonna put this in the refrigerator for 1 to 2 hours. Okay, my healthy people, so it's been an hour and a half. This is my cookie dough. It's hardened up, and I have an ice cream scooper that I'm gonna use to scoop it out. Nice scoop, just like this. And then I'm just gonna put these on my cookie sheet. This will give you about 10 cookies. This is what it looks like, our delicious gluten-free chocolate chip cookies. 10 minutes in the oven, and I'll be back. Okay, my healthy people, I had these in the oven 350 degrees for 10 minutes. I'm going to take them off of this and put them on a cookie rack and have them cool completely. Also, guys, before I get started with these cookies, I want to remind you that we have the 30-day plank challenge coming up, starting on the 15th. Go ahead, follow me on Instagram for more information at Maxine's Corner. All right, let's look at these deliciousness. Oh, Maxine's Corner, I think you've done it again. Oh, look at that. Look at that. Look at this deliciousness. Ooh, here you go, Ava. Maxine's Corner, you've what? Done it again. Woo! If you love the video, give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel for wonderful, great recipes and wonderful tips. Follow me on Instagram also for great recipes and tips as well. If you have an idea for a recipe that you want me to make, go ahead and leave it in the comment section. Don't forget to like this video and say with me, stay healthy.